Imagine this. You jolt awake, not to an alarm, but to silence. 10,000 years have peeled away. No buzzing phone, no steel walls, no sign of anything you recognize. Just you, the raw earth, and your own racing heart. Panic sets in. You pat yourself down. No keys, no wallet, no hope. But wait, your fingers close around something. A rock, a nice one, perfectly shaped. And somehow, etched into your very soul, is a singular, impossible mission. You have to build Wi-Fi. Far off, you hear the guttural cries of other tribes. But their language is a wall. You are utterly, terrifyingly alone. You look up at the vast, indifferent sky as if it holds an answer. Then, a lightning bolt rips across the heavens. And in that flash of blinding white light, you see the truth. Wi-Fi needs electricity. And to get that, you don't just need to build a battery. You need to rebuild the entire engine of human civilization. From scratch. Step 1. Don't starve. You can't invent the future on an empty stomach. Your life becomes a brutal, beautiful fight for survival. You learn to speak the language of the earth, which roots heal, which berries are poison, which rocks cleave into the sharpest blades. You get hurt, you get scared, you get back up. This is not a game, it's a gauntlet. But you quickly realize a painful truth. Progress isn't born from constant struggle. It emerges from stolen moments of peace. So, you become a farmer. You tame the wild, coaxing seeds from the dirt, herding animals, stockpiling grain. For the first time, you have more than you need. You have time. You are still 9,000 years from your goal. But now you can finally think. Then you find them. Strange, alluring rocks. Heavy, shiny, colorful, ancient treasures straight out of a myth. But how do you unlock their potential? With fire. Unrelenting, savage heat. You build primitive ovens. Burn charcoal until the air shimmers. Fail. Time and again. Then, one day, a miracle happens. The stone transforms. It doesn't break. It flows. Molten metal. Born from your stubbornness. You have forged copper and iron. Tools that were brittle are now unbreakable. The Stone Age is a ghost in your past. With metal, your ambition grows. But you can no longer rely on luck. You need to measure, to predict, to prove. You invent mathematics from thin air. Counting becomes geometry. You chase the mysteries of movement, levers, angles, falling objects, until you grasp a truth so profound it bends your mind. Calculus. It turns out you were a genius all along. You just needed the challenge to prove it. Every invention births two new mysteries. Static shocks, lightning, the pull of metal. They all start to whisper a single word. Electricity. You recreate the heavens in your workshop, conjuring sparks from rubbed fur and glass. But a spark is a party trick. You need the sun. You build steam-powered dynamos, spin wires, map the hidden forces that flow through all things. Then, the big one. You connect two distant points with a wire. Tap out a message. A telegraph. For the first time in history, information is faster than a horse. The world just shrank. But that wire starts to feel like a chain. You're obsessed, pushing deeper into the unseen. One afternoon, you notice a strange thing. A metal loop across the room, connected to nothing, crackles with life every time you trigger your circuit. That shouldn't be possible. You test it, move it further away, put walls between them. The spark follows. You have discovered that flips of energy travel as invisible waves. Through air, through stone, through everything. You've just invented radio. Information is now free. But radio isn't the prize. It's the appetizer. For Wi-Fi, you need computers. You can't walk into a shop. Even if you couldn't afford one. They need silicon, purified to a level of insanity. Not 99%, not 99.9%, 99.9999%. That takes factories and supply chains that won't exist for millennia. So you invent those too. From that impossibly pure sand, you carve transistors. Billions of microscopic, lightning-fast switches, all packed onto a chip the size of your thumbnail. You build memory, processors, the ghost of logic we call software. You wire two machines together. The first network is born. Finally, after a lifetime of lifetimes, you build the router. Your quest is complete. Most people see Wi-Fi as a convenience, a luxury. But you know the truth. It is the reward, the tip of a mountain built from the sweat, blood, and sheer stubbornness of your spirit. The culmination of every technological advancement in human history. And now that you've conquered the impossible, you have a choice. You can use this gift to connect, to learn, to create a world of infinite possibility. Or you could just use it to invent doom scrolling and sports betting. What are you going to choose? If you enjoyed this journey through time, technology, and the sheer audacity of human ingenuity, then consider subscribing to our channel. Every week, we dive into the stories behind the inventions that shape our world, the ones you take for granted, the ones that took thousands of years to create, and the ones that just might redefine our future. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and join a community of curious minds who believe that understanding the past is the first step to building a better tomorrow. See you in the next one.